Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Laying down on your back. Bring one knee up and hold back of your thighs. And as a leg, just keep it relaxed, slightly bent. And from here, bend your knee and keep your toes flexed. And slightly push your heels up toward the ceiling. Okay? Again, relax your knees. And push up. And bend your knee. And stretch. Bend. Stretch. Bend. You don't have to do like a completely stretch. Make sure to try to feel the stretch on the back of your legs. And about 10 times. And relax. And switch your legs. And open the leg up. And hold back of your thighs. And flex your toes. And keep your knee bent. And push your heel up toward the ceiling. Make sure to connect your breath, pranayama, with movement. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. A few more. And stretch. And release. Let's take a few breaths here. And now lay down on your side. And keep both knees bent and top knee bent completely and try to grab your ankle. Okay? And from here, really stretch front, quadricep, front of your thighs. And here, I want you to keep your top toes flexed. And try to really push, use your hands to try to push your heels against your glute. And then you wanna walk against, as if you want to try to, you wanna do the front kick. Okay, and so that you can get maximum stretch on the front. And let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. And release. Okay, so now switch side. Okay. Both knee bent and top knee completely bent and grab the ankle and try to really push toward the glute. And you want to, in your mind, you want to kick forward, but my hands pull against. Okay? And let's take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1. 2. 3, 4, and 5. And release. Now, again, laying down on your back. So now, bring leg up and try to grab opposite leg and outside of opposite leg. Okay, try to grab it here. Okay, and keep both knee bent. And then drop your knee to opposite side while holding. Okay, and open your chest and gaze drishti toward the ceiling. And it is okay if you cannot touch opposite hand on the ground. Stay there and breathe. Inhale, exhale for 1, 2, 3. You feel deep, nice stretch around your glute and outside of your thigh. 4, 5. Inhale, exhale, and back to center and drop your leg. Inhale, exhale, bring other leg up and try to grab outside of opposite leg. If you cannot reach onto your foot, it is okay to grab your ankle or even around your knee. Okay, but if you can reach to your foot so that you can get a deeper stretch. Okay, and inhale, exhale, drop to opposite side and open your chest and drishti gaze up. And if you notice any tightness, okay, use your exhale to release any tension that no longer serves you. And 5 deep breaths. Inhale. And exhale for 1, 2, and let it go. 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale back to center and release. Okay, now stretch both legs. Okay? So now one leg toes pointing toward the ceiling. Okay, in my case, and my right toes pointing up toward the ceiling, and then push the sole of your foot against your left. Okay, inside of your left ankle. From here, you're gonna slide your leg up toward your knee. Okay, make sure pointing your right toes and pointing your toes up toward the ceiling without pointing down. Okay, and keep in this position of your foot, this angle of your foot, and sliding down, sliding up and down. So repeat this movement about 10 times. Inhale to slide up, exhale, sliding down, up, down, up, Down 5 more. And you may feel a little burn on the inner side, and it is good. And relax. Okay, now let's do the other side. The sole of your foot of my left, pressing against right ankle, and pointing your toes, my left toes up, and slide up toward my knee, inside of my knee, and down. Up, down, 3, and back. 4, down, 5, down. 6, inhale, down, exhale. 7, inhale, exhale. 8, 9, and 10. And down, relax. So now, the sole of your feet facing each other. Let's take Supta Baddha Konasana. And from here, so we're gonna push the sole of your feet, push against each other very, very strong. Okay? Ready? And then we're gonna hold very strong, maybe 10 seconds. Okay? Ready? And then after that, we're gonna release. And then we're gonna repeat this 3 times. Okay? Are you ready? The palms down, the sole of your feet together, and then we're gonna push the sole of your feet toward each other very strong and hold 10 seconds. Ready? And push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Naturally breathe while you are pushing against each other. 8, 9, and then relax. Let's take 3 deep breaths while you are relaxing. Now, are you ready? And palms down. Inhale, and while you are pushing for 10 counts, naturally try to keep your breathing, your pranayama going. Ready? Inhale and push. And then, if you can, even lift up your hips. And if you hit too much, you can keep your hips down. But try to lift up your hips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 3 breath, rest. Are you ready? The last one. Okay, and if you can keep your hips up even higher than the one before. Ready? Palms down. Inhale, press the sole of your feet toward each other very strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now stretch your legs. And inhale. And exhale, relax, let it go. Let's take final pose of Shavasana. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!